Mazda on the beat.
Excuse me. Nah, insane. You and I, we've been through this before. Act like we ain't that fault. Yeah, we lost to our flow. We fight, you right. Like we going out of our mind. Girl, I don't even understand. But I love you and that's you said.
Hello guys, how you doing? Today, I have come today with due to popular demand. Today I'm going to do a proper review of this Mazda CX-9. But before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, like and share our videos. Today is going to be a detailed review of this Mazda CX-9. All right, so this is a 2012 Mazda CX-9. Uh, this is the first generation. It's from 2007 to 2012, I believe. From 2007 to 2009 was an older, same model but older, a little bit different from this. So from 2010, Mazda did some upgrades in this model. Looks similar, but there is a little bit of update from 2010. So from the model year 2010, Mazda redesigned the headlamp. The headlamp was redesigned and the front bumper, adding this beautiful chrome and the front grille. Other than that, looks exactly the same as 2007, except for the redesigned front headlight and the front bumpers. They look similar with the 2007 and the 2009. The Mazdas has been around for a very long time, and they are pretty nice cars. In recent years, it seems as if they are not popular in Nigeria. But growing up, I know that they make good cars. Growing up in the 90s, 80s, the Mazdas, especially the Mazda 626, I think that's what they call it. I can't remember anymore. There's even the Mazda trucks. There are a lot of Mazdas that were present in Nigeria in those years. But in recent years, it seems as the new generation, they would think that the Mazda is a new product, or they would think that it is not a good product because it's not that popular in Nigeria anymore. But I can tell you, brief history of the Mazda. These Mazdas are made in Japan. So if you love Japanese cars, if you think the Japanese make good cars, then you must know that the Mazda is also a good car made in Japan. So this 2000 and this Mazda CX-9, although it was made in Japan, but it was not sold in Japanese market. When I researched about it, it seems to be something about the size. This Mazda CX-9 was considered too big to be used in Japan. As a result of that, it was not sold in the Japanese market. Now let's get to the engine. So under this hood, you have the 3.7 liter V6 engine This engine is called the Cyclone, or also referred to as the Duratec. So it is a Duratec engine made by Ford. And if you know about Ford, if you are a lover of Ford manufacturing, you will know that the Duratec engine is considered one of the best engines made. So this Mazda shares the same engine with Ford Edge of the same years, Mazda 6, Ford Fusion, Lincoln MKZ, and so many other cars made by Mazda or Lincoln or Ford. So this engine has been tested. It is a very popular engine. This is a Duratec engine, 3.7 liter. The first models of this CX9, made from 2007 to 2009, used oh no, sorry, made, I think that was only for the 2007. It was a 3.5 liter engine. But because of the size of this vehicle and the need for more power, they increased the engine size to 3.7 liter. And according to reviews, this CX9, being a large 3-row seat SUV, drives very sporty, drives like a sedan, like a car. It doesn't really, it's not sluggish. It drives very fast, it moves very fast. So this engine is mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. And then, let me surprise you. There's one thing about the transmission in this Mazda CX9. Because I know we all love the Toyotas, and we all believe that Toyotas are indestructible, that they will ride forever. But do you know that these Mazdas, the transmission in these Mazdas are made by the same company that makes the transmission for Toyotas? This is the company called Aisin. I think I pronounce it well, Aisin. So this transmission is made by Aisin. They also make Toyota transmissions. This engine is equipped with 273 horsepower. And this heavy dude, this big dude, goes from 0 to 70 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds. You can't vehicle, all right? So this is the cabin. This is the cabin, you can see. This is the base model. The base model of this 2012 Mazda CX-9. Is the base model because it doesn't come with the options of rear view camera, navigation, but it's equipped with MP3, CD changer. They have heated seats, not necessarily in Nigeria. They have the USB or power outlet here. There's a compartment here. It's really cold. Up here you have the reading lamps. You have the sunglass compartment. It's just basic, you know. You have this one being the base model. It comes with the cloth upholstery, but this cloth upholstery is even, you can see the design. It's so beautiful. It's not like you know, just cloth upholstery, the type that you will see in a Toyota Corolla of 2000. And so one of the things I don't like about this being a 2012, I expect this to come with a reverse camera standard. So the steering wheel controls, you know, the steering is pretty nice. Like, it looks small to me, which I like. It doesn't look bogus, it looks small, and it feels so good when you're driving. Like I said earlier, this SUV drives like a car. It's very sporty. drives very well. You know, when you're driving it, it's not sluggish, it's not boring, it's very sporty. One of the good things about this Mazda CX-9 against its competitors is the interior size. You can see how wide the second row seat is. The third row seat also is the third row seat is very spacious. This is one advantage that the Mazda boasts of when compared to its competitors. It is very spacious inside. The third row seat can fit an adult very well. And then another thing that I don't appreciate, this is being 2012, is that it doesn't have a auto open and close trunk. It is manual. You have to manually drag this thing up and down. Look at that design. Mazda did a pretty nice job in this vehicle. The design is top notch, and this base model comes standard with 18 inches rim. I think the size for the rim 245 60 18 standard for the base model. This is a sport, but the Grand Touring comes with a 20-inch wheel. So for a 2012 SUV, 3-row seat, sporty, classy, spacious, accelerates very good, with a pretty nice design. And if you believe in Toyota a lot, then knowing that this also has some elements of Toyota, the reliability when it comes to the transmission. They share the same transmission from the same company with Toyota. So this will be a good option for somebody who don't have 7 to 8 million naira to buy the Toyota Highlander of 2012. You can spend less than 5.5 million naira on this, and if you treat it well, it will serve you. All right, so I will have to go and see how the third row seat fits. I want us to see as an adult how comfortable it is. So this is the third row seat. Oh man, this is dead. So you can see here. So I'm so relaxed, like so relaxed in this third row seat. Look at the leg room. I have at least 4 inches leg room here. So even somebody my size will sit 3 here. But of course you need the seat belt, so it's made for 2 people. But you can see I have enough leg room. I can probably sit in this third room from Lagos to Sokoto, or Lagos to Kafanshan. Yeah. Why? Because if you have the Duratec engine from Ford, then it must be reliable. The Duratec engine is not is well known. It's a reliable engine. 2, why is it also reliable? Because they have the transmission made by Aisin. Aisin is one of the best in transmission. They make the transmission for Toyotas. So all this car manufacturing, they're operating with the same template now all over. I'm telling you that. So this is really a nice underrated vehicle in Nigeria. One problem though, so whenever the water pump goes bad, you have to bring the engine down. That is the only complaint about this Mazda and Duratec Ford engines. But apart from that, this is a good buy. It is value for money. You enjoy it. It's fun to drive. It's sporty. It's fast. It's large for the family comfortably. Sit 7 people, 7 adults comfortably. You know, so you cannot go wrong with a Mazda CX-9. So this is where we'll bring it to the end. But in the next video, I will compare this to the Hyundai Veracruz. We will compare them, and when we do the comparisons, I would like to know which one you think has an edge over the other. Until the next video, I will see you. I remain Stanley Okafo. Subscribe, like, share it to your friends. See you, man.
Mazda on the beat.